Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class, I discussed this question that is not completed now. Actually, this is 300, that is T1 temperature. Then this is like this V1 by V2. It is compressed 16 to 2 liter. Therefore, 16 by 2 means this is 8. 8 we can write as a 2 power 3. And this is gamma minus 1. Gamma value how much? 5 by 3. Minus 1. 5 by 3 minus 1 means 2 by 3. 3 3 cancel. 2 power 2. 2 power 2 means 4. 300 into 4, 1200. So options are there here. 1600, 1044, 1200, 2400. So option C is correct. Okay. So calculation, read the question carefully, because now I did in the question before. This is V2 I put and this V1, therefore that is wrong we got, because this is initial, because compression mean what is that? 16 to 2 liter we are compressing, that in this is V1, this is V2. Generally student, like what I thought, you also maybe consider higher volume is V2, lower volume is V1. Don't consider, read the question. Here compressed given mean this is V1, this is V2. Okay, next. Here one question is 5 mole of an ideal gas expand isothermally reversible. It means isothermal reversible. This is reversible, this is iso. Okay. From a pressure of 10 atm to 1 atm, 10 atm to 1 atm against constant external pressure, of 1 atm. W is reversible at 300 Kelvin is option A minus 1500 921 kilojoule, B minus 11 224 kilojoule, C option minus 11 110.83 kilojoule, D none. Like this given. Now the question is constant external pressure word given means that is irreversible. Anyway in the question also they given that is irreversible. Therefore W is equal to minus P external into V2 minus V1. Now in the question 5 moles given and gas expand is isothermal, this is, and reversible. From a pressure 10 atmosphere, 1 atmosphere. Here pressure given but volume not given. But we know how to convert this. How to convert? PV is equal to nRT. V is equal to nRT by P. Then we can write here minus P external. In presence of this one, we can write nRT. Temperature isothermal is constant, therefore don't write the T2, only nRT write. Pressure only changing here, therefore we can write this is P2 minus nRT by P1. Therefore minus P external, this is taken common, nRT 1 by P2 minus 1 by P1. And here P external given in the question against 1 atmosphere minus 1 atmosphere, N given in the question. So before that, if you want to write units also write, no problem. R value, which one we have to take? Kilojoules are given. Kilojoules mean compulsory you have to take 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse, and this is 1 by P2. 1 by P2 mean here 10 atmosphere to 1 atmosphere, that is called expansion. So this is P1, so this is 1, this is P2, correct? One second, I'll check what is the question. P expansion meaning what is there? First lower volume V1, then this is P1, this is V2, then this is P2. Then P2 is 1, okay, P1 is, that is 10. Okay. Ten minus 1, that is 9, 9 by 10 this is, okay, and temperature I forgot to write here, temperature 300 Kelvin, Kelvin inverse cancel, mole inverse mole cancel, therefore we got minus 5, 8.314, 300, and this is 9 by 10. This I want to write minus 5 into this. If point is that for you calculation difficult, if it is, then 25 by 3 write, 300 by 9 by 10, 1 0 1 0 cancel, 10 10 3 tens, then this is what is that, 90. Therefore 5 into 25, 125, this is 25 into 5, 125, this is 90. If it is 90, consider 100 also, no problem, therefore minus, if you consider minus 125, if it is, I want to roughly consider 100, no problem, and this is 500, but here answer not there. This is in the joule, because joule only left here, this is in the joule, but answers are in kilojoules is there. Point here is there, mean point shifted to here mean, then what you can write, this is minus 12.500 kilojoule. So 12.5 kilojoule is there, like this is not, here is there, this 110 is none is there, then answer is near to this one answer which is there, this is, I calculated roughly, exact calculate you will get this answer, but this rough calculation you should know that how to do. You know, in mathematics you can do, I hope this is. Next, a cyclic process A, B, C, D, PV diagram given for ideal gas. Which of the following diagram represent the same? Question is, this type of graph also will ask in your physics, therefore listen carefully. So here they given diagram. This is pressure, this is volume, this is point A to point B, like this. Like this. Then this is C, this is D, again this is goes to E. Like this given. Like this graph which is here represent. Option A is given volume, temperature. Option B is given volume, temperature, and option C is given volume, temperature. Option D is given volume, temperature. Now this is A, B, C, D. This is clockwise. Clockwise. Next VT. then here C, D, here A, then this is CD, A, B, C, D. Arrow mark also important here. C, then this is D, this is C, this is B, this is A. Then this is like this, A, B, C, D, like this. Then which graph correspond like this? This is pressure, mean this is what you call pressure constant, isobaric. This is isothermal, okay. This is which one? Isochoric. This is again which one? Isothermal type consider, adiabatic type consider, no problem. If it is upper line isothermal, this is adiabatic type also. Otherwise this isothermal also consider, because here they are not given exactly. So I want to consider same isothermal type only consider. Pressure or adiabatic consider, no problem. Because isothermal line up, adiabatic line down. But here adiabatic type not there here, temperature only is there, therefore you can consider this is isothermal only. Because here in graph volume temperature is there. Now A to B is isobaric, so this is not. And A to B pressure volume isobaric is there, this line you can see, what do you call, states of matter, Boyle's law, Charles law, Gale's law, then you will get this is isobaric is there. B to C isothermal, B to C isothermal is there. C to D isochoric, C to D isochoric, correct? But A to B okay, then what do you call, D to A isothermal is the temperature constant. Now if you see this graph also, somebody what they will say, we got the answer, therefore we will tick this one. But if you see this option also look like the same, A to B pressure, volume temperature pressure is constant, isobaric, A to B. Then B to C isothermal, temperature is constant, isothermal. C to D isochoric, volume constant. D to A again isothermal is there, both are same is there. Which option correct hai? Then you can consider this clockwise, this is what is there, anti-clockwise, correct hai? A to B is there, but here what is there, A to B like this, and A to B direction is forward direction type is there, but here backward direction is there, therefore this is C is correct here. Okay, so answering is very very important. Next, question, for the reaction PCl5 PCl5 gives rise to PCl3 plus Cl2, all are gas, gas, gas. A, delta H is equal to delta U. B, delta H is greater than delta U. And C, delta H is less than delta U. D, none. How to answer this question? We know that relation between delta H is equal to delta U plus delta Ng R T. Then delta Ng value for this reaction is number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant. These are in gaseous state. 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1. Product minus reactant, that is 1. So delta H minus delta U is equal to some positive value. To get positive value, this is right side is positive element, which should be greater. Delta H is greater than the delta U. So that is B option. Next, which of the following relationship is correct for the following exothermic reaction carried out at constant pressure? Some reaction is carried out here, that is carbon monoxide gas plus 3H2 gas gives rise to CH4 gas plus H2O. Then options are given here. Option A, delta U is equal to delta H. B, delta U is less than delta H. And C is W is less than 0. D, Q is greater than 0. So for this work related, what is the formula? First, delta Ng calculated. Delta Ng is number of moles of product. All are gas only there. For example, all are gas only given. Gas, gas, gas. Then here balanced 1 carbon, 3 into 2, 6 hydrogen, 4 plus 2, 6, 1 oxygen balanced. Therefore, now 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 3 plus 1, that is 4, therefore minus 2. So this is minus 2 is there here. Then delta H is equal to, we can write based on this formula, delta H minus delta U is equal to minus value, this is because minus 2RT. Okay. Therefore, which options are given? Delta U is equal to delta H, delta U is less than delta, sorry, I wrote wrong here. This is delta U is greater than delta H, W less than 0, Q is greater than 0. Okay. To get negative, which should be greater? This should be greater required. Then only we will get right side negative. Therefore, option which is B option is correct. Okay. Next, another question is based on this. 1 mole of non-ideal gas undergoes changes state from 1 atm 3 liter at 200 Kelvin to 4 atm 5 liter at 250 Kelvin temperature with internal energy change delta U is equal to 40 liter atmosphere. The change in enthalpy delta H, how much in liter atmosphere? This also in liter atmosphere, how much? Options are given here. 43, B 57, C 42, D none. Okay. According to this, we have this formula. Then formula delta H is equal to delta U. Instead of delta Ng, because here reaction not again only changes from some pressure to some volume, pressure volume, like this relation given. Therefore, we can write delta PV, because PV equal to NRT. So instead of this NRT, we can write PV. Delta PV mean what? We can write delta H is equal to delta U plus delta mean change P2 V2 minus P1 V1, because here pressure volumes are given. Therefore, this is 40 liter atmosphere plus P2 V2. What is the pressure here? This is first, this is second. 4 into 5. 4 into 5 how much? 20. Okay, this is also liter atmosphere. And this is 1 into 3. Then this is 3. 20 minus 3 liter atmosphere. Then we will get 17. Then 40 into 17. So it's not into, that is plus, because here plus is there. And this is liter atmosphere. 40 plus 17 how much? 57 liter atmosphere. This is the answer. Next, second law of thermodynamics respect to question. In this we have the entropy Gibbs energy. Predict which of the following reactions has negative entropy change. Delta S is equal to negative, which of the following has. Then question in that one, CH4 plus 2O2 gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2O. This is liquid, this is gas, gas, gas. Second one, NH3 gas plus HCl gas gives rise to NH4Cl. That is solid. It is gas, means this is also gas. Then third one, 2KClO4 solid gives rise to 2KClO3 solid plus O2 gas. Option A third, option B second, option C 1 and 2, and D only 1. See, delta S should be negative, mean product side number of moles of gas is less. That is called, it mean entropy mean what is that? Measurement of randomness. If reactant convert into product in the form of more gas, then entropy increase. If reactant side is gas form is there, product side liquid solid is there, randomness what happened? Decrease. So here how many are there? 2 gases are, sorry, 2 plus 1, 3 gases are there. Therefore you can calculate delta Ng. Delta Ng is what is that here? This is gas, this is liquid. So liquid randomness less, only gas respect to calculate. 1 minus 2 plus 1 means this is 3, that is minus 2. Here solid. Therefore delta Ng is equal to 0 minus 1 plus 1, that is 2. Therefore minus 2. And here solid to gas only is there. This is gas. Therefore anyway delta Ng, that is 1 minus 0, that is 1. So negative value is there here, these two. Therefore C option is correct. If you calculate delta Ng negative mean entropy negative, delta Ng is positive mean entropy positive. Okay. Next, when 2 moles of an ideal gas, question is 2 moles of ideal gas, Cp value given, that is 5/2 are heated from 300 Kelvin to 600 Kelvin at constant pressure. The change in entropy of gas, that is delta S, is, options are given: A 3 by 2 or ln 2, B minus 3 by 2 or ln 2, C 5 or ln 2, D 5 by 2 5 by 2 or ln 2. Then you should know that first formula, how to calculate the entropy change. So first one is formula. Here I will write delta S is equal to NCV. For these formulas are the direct I want to give here. NCV ln T2 by T1 plus NR ln P1 by P2. This is a formula. Otherwise, instead of this you can write V2 by V1, because P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So P1 by P2 is equal to what is it? P2 by V2 by V1. Similarly, delta S is equal to NCP. This is at constant volume, this is at constant pressure, ln T2 by T1 plus NR ln P1 by P2. You can write instead of this V2 by V1 also you can write. Now Cp given, therefore we have to use second formula, and here heated from 300 to 600 they given. Therefore I want to write delta S is equal to how many moles given? 2 moles. 2 Cp value given, that is 5 by 2 R ln, it is heated from 300 to 600, there was 600 by 300 plus, keep in mind at constant pressure is constant, mean P2 minus P1 is equal to 0, then both values same, mean what is that? We will get 1. If it is some 5, this is also 5 cancel. Pressure is constant, so 5 cancel, mean what we will get? 1 log 1 0, 0 into something 0. Therefore this is 0. Okay. Then this is 2. This 2 cancel. Then what is that? 5R ln 2. Like this option, C option is there. Okay. So keep in mind these two formula you have to remember. Sometime they may ask isothermal, sometime they may ask isobaric. Now it is isobaric, then you got this is a formula. If isothermal is there, this is constant, then you will get this is a formula. Isochoric mean volume put, that time volume constant, meaning this is you will get. So based on the question you have to solve the problem, but these are the two formulas compulsory you have to remember. Now if they ask the question, one more I will, if it is there I will solve. Okay. Now which of the following expression for an irreversible process? Irreversible process. For irreversible process, which is the correct? A, ds means delta S greater than dq by T. B option, ds is equal to dq by T. C option, ds less than dq by T. D option, ds is equal to du by T. Like this given. Irreversible process meaning what is that? Day by day in universe entropy increase. All natural process entropy will be increased. Entropy increase mean that is greater value. Therefore this is correct, because delta S is greater than the dq by dt. But for reversible process, ds is equal to q dq by t. So this formula is there for reversible process. This is for irreversible process. This is a very, very important for reversible. This is for irreversible. Okay. Remaining we will discuss in the next class.